Ever wondered why celebrating friendships can feel just as special, if not more, than romantic love? Looking for fun, creative, and meaningful ways to celebrate Galentine's Day with your girls? Confused about whether Galentine's Day should be chill, glamorous, emotional, or all-out party vibes? Want ideas that work whether you're hosting at home, planning a surprise, or celebrating long distance? Then stay right here, because today we're diving into Galentine's Day ideas that turn friendship into a full-on celebration you'll never forget. What exactly is Galentine's Day and why is it celebrated? Galentine's Day is all about celebrating female friendships, the bond, the laughs, and the emotional support that lasts a lifetime. It's usually celebrated on February 13th and focuses on honoring your best friends instead of romantic partners. Think love, but in its purest friendship form. It's a reminder that relationships don't need romance to be meaningful. Galentine's Day gives you permission to show appreciation for the women who stand by you through everything. How can I plan a perfect Galentine's Day at home? Start by choosing a vibe, cozy, glam, playful, or nostalgic, and build everything around it. Set up comfy seating, themed decor, good lighting, and a playlist that screams friendship energy. Add snacks, drinks, and activities that spark conversations and laughter. You don't need a huge budget, just intention. When the space feels welcoming and personal, the celebration becomes memorable. If you're loving these ideas so far, hit the like button and share this video with your girl gang. Let's spread the Galentine's Day love everywhere. What are some easy Galentine's Day party themes? Popular themes include pink pajama parties, wine and dine nights, movie marathons, or self-care spa evenings. You can also try nostalgic themes like childhood throwbacks or vision board nights. Themes help structure the event and make planning easier. Choosing a theme adds personality and makes your gathering feel intentional rather than last minute. What food ideas work best for a Galentine's celebration? Finger foods work perfectly. Think cupcakes, heart-shaped cookies, mini pizzas, or charcuterie boards. Add fun drinks like mocktails, milkshakes, or themed cocktails to elevate the vibe. Presentation matters just as much as taste. Food becomes a shared experience, encouraging everyone to gather, talk, and enjoy the moment together. Tell us in the comments, what's your must-have Galentine's Day snack or drink? We'd love to hear your favorites. How can I decorate for Galentine's Day without overdoing it? Stick to a simple color palette like pink, red, white, or pastels. Use fairy lights, balloons, candles, and handwritten notes to create warmth. Small touches, like framed friendship quotes, can make a big impact. Minimal decor with emotional value always feels more authentic than over-the-top styling. What activities can make Galentine's Day more interactive? Plan games like friendship quizzes, truth or dare, memory sharing, or gratitude circles. You can also do DIY activities like bracelet making or scrapbook pages. These moments create deeper connections beyond surface-level fun. Activities transform a gathering into an experience everyone remembers long after it ends. For more party games and bonding ideas, check out the full Galentine's Day playlist linked in the description. It's packed with inspiration. How can Galentine's Day be celebrated on a budget? Focus on experiences rather than expenses. Host a potluck, reuse decor, or create DIY elements like handwritten cards. Budget-friendly celebrations often feel more personal and meaningful. What matters most isn't how much you spend, but how intentionally you celebrate each other. Can Galentine's Day be celebrated virtually? Absolutely. Host a video call party with shared games, online quizzes, or movie watch parties. You can even send digital invites or surprise delivery gifts to friends in different cities. Distance doesn't weaken friendships. It just changes how you show up for each other. Make sure to subscribe for more creative celebration ideas, friendship rituals, and meaningful lifestyle inspiration every week. What are thoughtful Galentine's Day gift ideas? Personalized gifts like handwritten letters, photo frames, or memory jars feel incredibly special. You can also gift candles, skincare, or matching accessories. Thoughtfulness always beats price. A small gift with emotional meaning can become a lifelong keepsake. How do I make my friends feel truly appreciated on Galentine's Day? Take time to express gratitude, verbally or through notes. Share what you admire about each person and how they've impacted your life. These words often mean more than any gift. Validation and appreciation are the heart of Galentine's Day. If you enjoy content like this, you'll find more friendship and celebration ideas linked in the description. Don't miss them. Can Galentine's Day include self-love too? Yes, self-love is a huge part of it. Journaling, affirmations, spa rituals, or solo reflection moments fit beautifully. Celebrating yourself strengthens every other relationship in your life. Galentine's Day reminds you that friendship with yourself matters too. How can I create memories that last beyond one day? Capture moments through photos, videos, or shared journals. Create a yearly tradition so Galentine's Day becomes something everyone looks forward to. Traditions build emotional continuity. Memories deepen bonds far beyond the celebration itself. Love the items you saw today? We've linked similar products in the description to help you recreate the same Galentine's Day vibe easily. What outfits work best for a Galentine's Day gathering? Matching pajamas, cozy loungewear, or coordinated colors make great group photos. Comfort should always come first, but adding a theme keeps it fun. Feeling good boosts confidence and joy. Style becomes part of the shared memory. How can introverts enjoy Galentine's Day comfortably? Choose smaller gatherings, calm activities, and relaxed settings. Deep conversations, movie nights, or quiet bonding moments can be just as meaningful. Galentine's Day doesn't have to be loud to be special. The best celebrations respect everyone's energy. Why is celebrating friendships so important in adulthood? As life gets busier, friendships often take a backseat. Galentine's Day reminds us to pause, reconnect, and nurture those bonds. Strong friendships support mental health and emotional well-being. Celebrating friendships is an investment in lifelong happiness. Galentine's Day isn't just a trend, it's a reminder that love exists in many forms. From cozy nights and heartfelt conversations to laughter-filled gatherings, celebrating friendship strengthens the bonds that carry us through life. Whether big or small, your Galentine's Day can become a tradition that honors the people who truly know you and choose you every single day. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like and share it with your besties. Comment below and tell us how you're celebrating Galentine's Day this year. Explore the full Galentine's Day ideas playlist, linked in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more creative celebration and lifestyle content. Watch more videos like this by checking the links in the description. Find all the featured products and decor items linked in the description.